So hi everyone. So from today we are starting the Windows function. What are the available Windows functions are there in SQL Server or any RDBMS? So basically Windows functions are operate on the set of rows. So there will be some windows will be created on depends on whatever we have given in the over clause. Whether we have done the I will explain you practically after some time whether we have whatever we have done in the over clause over here, whether we have done order by or we have done something like partition by, and whatever column we have given over here, so based upon that it will provide some partition, and whatever column we have given over here in the order by, based upon that it will give the ordering to each of the set of rows. So Windows functions are basically used in the select clause and order by clause only. If we want to use the Windows function in the where clause, then we have to do some other thing. And these Windows functions are evaluated for each row. For every row of the database, these Windows function are evaluated, and Windows function is evaluated per detailed row. It is applied to a subset of rows that is derived from underlying query. So we will see further this example of what is Windows frame, but first focus on this partition by clause and order by clause. So what are the different types of Windows functions available in SQL? So mainly Windows functions, there are 4 types of Windows functions are there. 1 minute. Yeah, there are mainly 4 types of Windows functions are available in SQL, and that are rank, dense rank, row number and entile. Now, whenever we are using the Windows function, uh, whatever the Windows function from all the above, we order by clause should be mandatory inside over clause. So partition by is not mandatory, but order by clause is mandatory. So let's see over here. Whenever we write anything in the bracket like partition by and then column name, so this is optional, but order by clause with column name, that is mandatory thing while we are using the Windows function. And ranking functions can have only partition by clause and order by clause and frame clause. So this Windows frame clause is written over here, right, in the Windows function specifically, or this rank, dense rank, row number and entile. So these are not required in the Windows ranking functions. And ranking functions are used to rank each row with respect to others in the window. So now let's see some of the example, then you will get more clear. So let's start with the rank function. So what will rank do? Returns the rank of each row within the partition of a result set. And the rank of a row is 1 plus number when. Okay, let's see directly the example, then you will get more clear. So let me show you first the table. Select star from EMP. So let me copy this data into the Excel file. Okay. Now what is the question over here? Display the rank of employees based on salary. Display the rank of employees based on salary, and highest paid employee should get first rank. So you need to understand this one, highest grade, highest paid employee. So wherever in the salary column there is a highest value that will be come first. So see over here, let me order this data into salary custom sort. Then column is, I think, L, and largest to smallest, right? So let me, okay. So now this is perfectly ordered, right? So now while we are using the ranking function, sorry, we are using the rank function, rank, then dense rank, then row number. So for now, focus on these three functions. So what is our requirement over here? Display the ranks of the employees based on salary, and highest paid employee should get rank first, right? So in our table, this particular table, what is the highest salary? 5,000 is highest salary, right? And both of these row has a highest salary, right? 5,000, 5,000. So over here in in this case, it will give rank 1 1 to both the rows, right? Both the rows. Then in the rank, there is a one more thing will be happen. Whenever there is a tie between between multiple rows, whenever there is a tie, so over here 5,000 is coming one time, then again 5,000 is coming second time, right? Again 5,000 is coming second time. So whenever there is a tie, it will give same rank to both the rows. Well, we are using the rank function, but after the next row, it will skip one value. It will skip one value while giving the next row. So over here, it will not give the second rank. It will not give the second rank in terms of rank function. So it will skip one value. Why one? Because one is coming over here and one is coming over here again. So it will skip only one number, and it will give third rank to this particular row. This 3420, it will give third rank. Now again, let's see what will happen over here. So it will be give fourth rank again, and again fourth rank, right? Why? Because again these two has same salary, right? These two has same salary and these two has same salary. So again it will give fourth rank to both of the lines. But now what it will give to the next line? So again you need to consider like 4, 5, and it should be 6, right? It should be 6. Now let's see again. 6, then 7, then over here 8, 8, right? Because again these two salaries are same. So it will give 8, 8, and now visually we have to identify 8, 9. So over here it will again skip 1. Whenever there are ties between multiple rows, more than one row, it will skip one value or two value based upon how many number of ties are there. So it will give 10, 10 over here, 11, 12, then 13, 13, then 15. It will skip again, right? Because this is again same salary. And then 16, and then 17. Okay, so let's see whether our result in the query is correct or not. Let's see that one. What we have to write? Rank over, rank over. And over here we have mentioned order by salary descending. Why? Because highest salary we want first rank, right? Second highest second rank, like that. And as we have given the alias from EMP table, now over here partition by we haven't done, right? We can say DPT partition by DPT we haven't done, right? So that what will happen, it will consider entire this entire result set as one partition, entire result set as one partition. So we will see that partition by case also after some time, but for now without partition. Let's see. Now let me execute this query and let's compare the rank. Let me copy this same or this column and this column. Let me copy up to here. So see over here, whatever I have explained, it is as per the Excel file only, right? 6, 7, 8, 8, then 10, 11, 12, 13, 13, and then 15, 16, 17. You have to see this column and you have to see this column. It is perfect, right? Okay, where we are. Okay, so now we have written this query, right? Select rank over some salary descending, and if I do the ascending, right, then it will give some other result, right? If I do the ascending, then low lowest salary lowest salary lowest salary it will give me the first rank. Then so second lowest salary it will give me the second rank, like that, right? But over here our requirement is highest paid employee, right? So that is why I have done descending. Now see over here what is written. Rank does keep ranking. Rank does keep ranking. Why? Because over here we have seen, right, second rank is skipped, then 14th rank is skipped. So in case tie, we will not get all the rank. We will not get all the rank if there are three persons having same salary at eighth position. Then they will be assigned same eighth rank. All the three person will assign the eighth rank, but the next person will be assigned 11th rank. Because why? 8, 9 and 10 we have to go. So 9 and 10 it will not able to give, and 11th rank it will give directly. So in the result you will not see the 9th and 10th rank, right? That is what we have seen in the rank function. Now what is the solution of this rank per function? Let's see. Now let me execute this second query. Let me copy this data into the Excel file, and over here let me copy, and let me copy this data also over here in the Excel file. So now your solution, what question someone has asked, your solution is coming now. Let's analyze this column and let's analyze this column. This is the purpose of dense rank, and this is the purpose of rank. Rank are skipping the values. Someone told I want 2 also. Someone told I want 14 also. See over here. 2 is also there. 14 up to 14 we do not need to go. Then let's see 9. So 9 is also there. See over here 9 is missing, right? Over here 9 is missing. But what dense rank will do? It will give me consecutive number even though ties are occurring. It will give me consecutive number even though ties are occurring, right? Ties means what? Same salary, right? Same salary of 2% or more than 2%. That is known as ties, right? So say 6, 7, 9 is coming. Then over here 11 is 10, 10. So there is no missing value. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that is the purpose of dense rank. See what is written over here. It does not skip rank in case of ties. It does not skip rank in case of ties. If there are 3 persons having salary at the 8th position, then they will be assigned the same 8th rank, right? But the next person will be assigned the 9th rank. Over here, what will happen? It will assign the 11th rank. So in result, you will not see the rank skipped, right? Over here, rank will not be skipped. Over here, rank will not be skipped, right? So that is the answer of your question someone asked previously. Now let's see further. Display the rank of the employees based on the salary. Display the rank of the employees based on the salary. But the person having but the person having highest salary should be ranked first. Person having highest salary should be ranked first. But in case of a tie, ranking should be based on experience in our organization, right? So over here, what will happen? Let me show you this as a date. So over here, what will happen? See over here carefully. Over here, tie is happening, right? Over here, tie is happening. But the problem is, what is our requirement? We require this row above and this row should be below. Why? Because experience of this person is one. Sorry. Over here, not over here. Let's see this data. Okay, yes. Let's see this data. Yeah, this is a perfect example. Let's see this data. What is the higher rate of king? So ideally, king should be come in the first row and Hershey's should be come in the second row. Why? Because we want most experienced person in the first row and least experienced person in the second row based on their salary. So now let me see this very carefully. What we have done, rank were order by salary descending. That is right, perfect. But then we have to do higher date also. We can do multiple order by with comma operators, comma, column, then comma, column 2. We can give as much as column we want, right? So higher rate ascending. So ascending means lowest rate will become first, right? So now let me run this query. So see this result carefully. King is coming first this time. See over here, Harshit is coming first, King is coming second. But now King is coming first and Harshit is coming second. So this is my requirement, right? This is my requirement, right? So perfect. Let's move ahead. Now we have seen the rank function and dense rank function both, right? Now let's see one more example through which we can see row number function. So what is the row number function will do? It is very interesting. What will be the row number function will do? Let me comment this one, and let me order the data, order by salary descending. So now let's see what row number function will do. Row number simply do one thing. It will generate all of the row simple like this one. It will not check whether salary is same or not. It will not check anything. It will not check anything. It will give all the rows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 8, 11, 12 like this. Now let's run the query to show you the result. Now no need of this one. See over here. It will give higher. It will give highest salary rank 1. Then again, this is also highest salary, but it will give rank 2. Then second highest salary, it will give rank 3. Third highest salary, it will give rank 4. Like that, right? So row number doesn't see whether anything is same or not. It doesn't affect. When it will change at the time of partition by close only. Otherwise, it doesn't affect anything, right? Display display the rank of each employee in their department based on salary. Display the rank of each employee in their department based on salary. So over here, let me, okay. So over here, read this question again and again. Display the rank of each employee in their department. So whenever we want to see department wise data, right, or job wise data, or product wise data, or category wise data, what will come into the picture? Either group by will come into the picture, or partition by will come into the picture, right? Either group by will come into the picture or partition by will come into the picture, right? Now the person earning highest salary should be given rank first, right? Over here, rows will be divided department wise using partition by clause, and function will be applied on corresponding group. Now let's see. over here we want department based, right? Department based. So obviously we want the data department partition by department order by salary descending. And let's see the data now. Let's see the data now. Then you will be more clear. So over here we have how many partitions are there? We have three partitions are there, right? Why three partitions? Why three partitions? Because we have department number 10, department number 20, and department number 30. We have total three different partitions are there, right? And we want to give salary wise ranking. So this will give highest salary, so it will give rank 1. This is second highest, so it will give rank 2, 3, 4, like that. Now over here again check this result. Over here it will give rank 1, then rank 2. Because of 3000 it will give rank 2, second highest salary, right? But again the problem is same. Again the problem is same. Why? Because of we have used rank function, it will skip one value over here. See, it will not give the third rank over here. Why? Because of rank has been skipped. If you want third rank also, then what you have to do? In place of rank, you have to write dense rank, right? Now let's see the result. Now, if you see over here, no rank are skipped, right? No rank are skipped. See over here. 1, 2, 3. Over here, 3 is missing. But now 3 is also coming. Then 4, 5, 6. Everything is coming, right? Sequentially. So that is the use of dense rank function. And this is the use of partition by clause. It is dividing data into the three partitions. But now let's see. Now if I mention over in place of department and in place of department, if I mention job, then what will happen? It will divide the data based upon the job. It will divide the data based upon the job. See over here. Analyst. So analyst. Same partition, right? Then clerk. C for clerk. This will be my second partition. Then C for manager. This will be my third partition, like that, right? And if I mention the data into the comma DPT, then it will become the partition based upon job and DPT as well. We can mention multiple columns, multiple partition also, right? Multiple partitions also, right? Now what row number will do? We have seen this already. It will generate the row number from 1 to 17. So it returns row number or record number. It assigns incremental sequential integer to the rows in the query result based on window ordering. Row number function assigns unique values even when there is a tie in ordering values. Whenever there is a tie in ordering values. Now let's see one more example. Then I will unmute you for some time. Now there is one more function. So even though we are using over here partition by close, partition by DPT, then what will happen? Partition by DPT, then what will happen? It will partition by one department 10, right? So it will generate all the department 1, 2, 3, 4. Then when department 20, it will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then department number 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So it will not check either salary same or not. It will give consecutive numbers. Now let's see one example of entire. It is used to divide the result set into buckets of equal size. It is used to divide the result set into buckets of equal size, right? So suppose we use entail of 3. Then entail tries to divide the result set into 3 groups. Entail tries to divide the result set into 3 groups having same number of rows based on the ordering. Having same number of rows based on the ordering. Suppose we use entail of 3, right? Suppose we use entail of 3 and we have 9 rows in result set. Then we will get 3 groups. 3 groups each with 3 rows, right? 3, 3 and 3. And type number is assigned sequentially to each group. All the rows in a particular group will have same tile number. So group 1 will have tile number 1. Then group 2 will have tile number 2, and group 3 of 3 rows will have tile number 3. But suppose we have used n tile of 3 and we have 11 rows in rows. So three groups with equal size of rows cannot be created, right? If we have 11 rows, then 3 groups cannot be created. In that case, what will happen? It will create 3 groups. First group will have 4 rows. Second group will have 4 rows, and the third group will be assigned 3 rows as it assigns group 1 equal to 3 plus 1. So how it will decide? Suppose it is 11 rows, right? So we have to do 11 by 3. So, okay. Later to do in the calci. So it will create three groups only. We have to do 11 divided by 3. So it will create 3 groups. So it will, and accordingly it will assign the values to each of the group. So group 1 will be have 4 rows. Group second will be have 4 rows also. 4 plus 4 will be 8, right? Then how many rows are remaining? 3 rows are remaining. So 3 rows will be assigned to last group. So it will assign equal number of rows from the first group. Then it will try to assign equal number of rows to the second group. And whatever rows will be pending, it will assign to the third group. Like that. So over here, let's see how it will happen. We have 17 rows, right? We have 17 rows. So let's see, 17 divided by 3. So 6, 5. Ideally, it should be 6, 5, 5. Let's see, 6, 5. Sorry, 6, 6, 6, 6, 12. And 5, 6, 6, 5. It should be 6, 6, 5. Okay, what is this? Let me copy this data and let's me copy into the Excel file. So now over you have to check over here how many rows are assigned to the first group. So this will become my first group. Then it is assigned 6 rows, right? Then again it is assigned 6 rows, and over here it will assign 5 rows, right? So total how many rows are there? 6, 6, 5. It should be 17, right? Okay, now I will unmute you all for few minutes. Let's see.